Oops. Yep, the motor is toast. What's up guys, Thomas here, Rc-Xtreme down at gravel pit. Saturday, midday, extremely hot, around 30 degrees Celsius. Traxxas Sledge. Of course I missed the clips for the battery tray. Did some modifications, so I hope it will work. And it's hard to run Traxxas E-Revo 2.0 with one single 3S lipo, so I missed that too. Not my day. See what they have done here. There are some kind of change. Wonder how it looks down there. Don't know yet. Bye bye tire. Perfect way to ruin a tire. Be lazy. Just a quick rip today. I'm going downtown for a barbecue with my father. They have we were here, me and Painkiller RC, Thursday if I'm not mistaken, so this is new. Not sure if it's gonna work. And they also completely destroyed so you can drive up. Well, you know what I say? No one remembers a coward. Well, that worked. See if we could get a better jump. Yeah, toe in a row, huge flat. And just out with the wings. It's too much flex. Oh, okay, that's the main reason. So it's gonna be the same every single jump, basically. Guys, take some H of beating. There are actually one other jump here. Oh, this is cool. Massive air. But this one, downside, it's you see, cool relocation. Oh. classic place here. Growing so much stuff. I think the connectors. Something is, whoops, yeah, the motor is toast. Motor is toast. Yep, the motor is toast. God. Well, a bit sad, to be honest. Not to be honest, I'm really sad about that. I don't think I have any extra motors. Well, that's it, guys. No more bashing with the sledge for a while.